Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm Trust Stanley and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a duet video on your YouTube. So you want to upload a duet video on YouTube and you do not know how to do that. This is exactly for you. And if you're watching my channel but you do not know what a duet video is, now let me give you or show you guys how a duet video appears. Now you can either call it a grid video, but it shows like this. The first video is going to be by the left and the second video is going to be by the right. So one of these videos are either going to be your own face talking about it, or maybe a comparison video, or probably a versus video. So you have two different videos showing different sizes and you make an edit of it. So guys, there are different applications that can do this. There is this Duet video maker. It makes it easy for you. You can search for that on Play Store. And there is this photo grid also. It can also do that, but actually I'm not going to be using any of those applications. The reason is because there are some adverts and they are actually not going to give me the feels or the touches that I want to have on the video. So guys, let me go ahead and introduce this particular application to you. This is CapCut. I've made a video about it previously, so on this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a duet video making use of CapCut. Let's dive into that. So all you need to do is to click on new project, and then you are going to select two different videos that you have. Already I have videos right here, but I do not want to select them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on album, and then I'm going to select a different folder. So now I'm going to choose a particular video and also choose the second video. I just choose two different videos right now. You notice on the bottom area it says add to. Now if you click on add to, it's going to add that as a normal video, but that is not what I want. I want it to be as a grid, or probably you can call it a duet. So you need to select on this option next on the left hand area just before the add. Click on that and it's going to display a preview of how your video is going to look like. So the first option is going to appear up and down, which is going to be horizontal, and then the next one you can probably choose this particular option that is going to make it appear opposite each other. So the video is going to lay out by the left and the second one is going to lay it out by the right, just like this one, or top and bottom. And if you are not satisfied with the arrangement of the video, go ahead and select different option, and you are going to notice different arrangement of the video. And you can notice, if you pay close attention to this particular area, you can notice that it arranges your video very well. And do not worry about the positioning of the video. Probably you want one video to appear first and the other second. That is not an issue. You can always go ahead and change that. Now if you pay attention to what actually happened here, the first video is actually the one showing on the left and the second video is actually the one showing on the right. So if you want the video to be opposite, all you need to do is to go ahead and deselect, and let me go right back because it just went ahead to select. Deselect both of them and then choose this one first and choose this second, then go ahead and do the same thing, and you can now notice that this appears first and the other one appears second. So make sure you select the appropriate layout of your video. Click on continue. Now from the continue section you can now go ahead and add in text. You can add in text to your video, and like, let me say this. So adding text to your video, adding a background to your video, and it's as simple as this. And you can all go ahead and export your video. But if you want to do some other editing, you can always swipe and select and make some different editing on your video. When you're done, just click on this area to export your video and your video will be exported. And guys, you can notice that our video did not end at the same area, so you can always click on this area and then cut the scene, or you just cut out that particular timeline that is actually outside of the clip. So delete and you have both video ending at the same place. And if probably it's the other one that is not appearing very well, the other one is going to be appearing as an overlay. So click on the overlay section, click on the cut and then delete. So you're going to have your video appearing perfectly the way you want them to. But then this is just a tutorial and I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like and subscribe to the channel for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.